Good morning. I hope y'all are having a great day. Gonna do something a little bit different today. I've got my entire day mapped out on a piece of paper, hour by hour. I really want to make some progress on the barn today, so I figured we'd give this a try and see how much we can get done. I'm trying to have this entire project done by noon. So it's 5 o'clock right now. Let's get the day started. Well, you guys, so far we're about 20 minutes off schedule. Sometimes we run, but as you saw, I had to use the foam roller because my legs are beat up from leg day. The moon was super bright and I saw a couple shooting stars. The sky just looked amazing, but unfortunately I couldn't pick any of it up on camera. But yeah, I got the light set up out here. We're gonna go ahead and start taking down this wall. Wait a second, I didn't even tell you guys what we're doing. Today's the day, guys. We're going to be working on Project Trench. So here in a bit, we're going to be hitting the hardware store, and I'm going to get two 10-foot sections of channel drain. And we're going to have to bust this old one out of here. The concrete's broken right there, and this whole thing is sunk, so this doesn't really have a slope anymore. So we're just going to bust that out, and I'm going to have to get enough concrete to bore this entire trench. But in order for me to fix that side of the drain, this whole wall, fence, whatever you want to call it, has to go. So that's what we're going to do right now. I spent yesterday evening organizing some of my tools. Definitely a lot more organized. Look at that big chunk right there. That's from the leveling compound. That's funny. So far we've gotten a lot done this morning. We've got that fence completely taken down. I've got majority of this concrete busted out, but it's time to head to the hardware store and the new truck. This is really going to be the first test on how much I can haul. That's the stuff. Now we got to try to fit this in the Tesla. This is going to be interesting. The looks that I'm getting right now. Mint. They said, come on, Tanner, buy a real truck. Come on, you think you can haul this in your standard 6-foot bed? Get the hell out of here. Getting a little bit of drag here, but we're doing good. So we got 2 10-foot sewer pipes and 2 10-foot channel drains and a Toyota Prius Tesla. You just can't beat the functionality. For all you guys out there driving your yee trucks, you can't do this. You just can't. Hate all you want, we're getting it done. Getting her done, boys. making progress. Finally got all the demolition done. Now it is time to level everything out, getting those drains laid down, everything secured and ready to pour some Crete. Well, you guys, I've been at it for like 10 hours. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got done so far. Got the channel drain in. I think we got it level. It took a long time to make sure everything was level because I don't want any problems with this once the concrete's in here because that's permanent. This stuff wasn't cheap, so I want to make sure it's done right and it's going to last. They recommended only 4 millimeters of slope, or about over an inch, so I don't think we're going to have any problems there. I am going to go ahead and test out the flow, so let's see what we did. Well, I don't know about you, but I would call that a success, so I'm happy to see that. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to pour concrete today. I just don't have enough time. I don't want to rush it, and the weather is looking kind of iffy tomorrow, so we're going to wait on that. Hopefully, we're going to be able to do it tomorrow, if not Sunday at the latest. But I decided to go ahead and do this first because we got a heavy rain the other day, and it flooded this whole section once again, and I don't want any of that leveling compound to get washed out and have these slabs drop again because there goes, over $500. So that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you're excited to see some progress on the barn. Honestly, you can drive yourself crazy trying to get things perfect, but this is something that I did not want to have to worry about because this is what caused all of this mess in the first place. And I am happy with the slope. The water was running out fine, especially if you get a consistent flow all the way down. It would be shooting out the end. But hopefully we can get this done tomorrow. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.